Imagine the universe not as a fire at the beginning, but as a silent, ordered cold state waiting for something to disturb it. At first, nothing dramatic is visible, only a deep, still structure, as if space-time itself is holding its breath. Then tiny thermal ripples begin to appear, almost invisible at first, spreading through the cold cosmic order. Those ripples grow, and the calm structure starts to tremble, as if hidden energy has finally been released. What begins as a small disturbance quickly becomes a wave of heat, motion, and chaos. This is not heat as a starting point. This is heat emerging from a deeper change in the system. As the disturbance expands, matter begins to wake up, gathering into the first dense clumps and filaments. Gravity takes over, drawing those clumps together until the first stars ignite in brilliant bursts of light. From those stars, galaxies begin to assemble, and the universe fills with structure, radiation, and motion. So the great cosmic question becomes this: was the Big Bang the true beginning, or simply the first visible sign of a thermal awakening?